yeah, back to this storage area. It's about time to use the Hedger. I bought this specifically just for one single bush that I got in the back and a couple vines. And every fall I just pick it up and make it do its work. It's actually kind of funny when you get older, you actually specialize with your tools, and this is one of those specialized tools that I only use, especially when it comes down to these bushes and vines. This is the 22-inch DEWALT DCHT820. Today I'm going to be using this 9 amp. It's a flex bolt. It's the older style. The new ones look pretty cool, but I haven't moved up. I got my 3 lights. So I checked it, that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on there. Pretty sure this 9 amp is all that I'm gonna need as far as this job.